Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Sweatcoin wallet so you can start earning and storing your Sweat crypto. First, open the Sweatcoin app and go to the Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. You'll see an option that says Activate your wallet. Tap on it, and the app will guide you through the setup. You'll need to verify your identity and agree to the terms. Then, you'll be asked to connect your email. Make sure it's the same one you use for your Sweatcoin account. Once verified, the app will generate your crypto wallet automatically inside the Sweat Wallet app. If you don't have the Sweat Wallet app yet, you'll be prompted to download it from the App Store or Google Play. After installation, open it, log in with the same email, and your wallet will sync instantly. From there, you'll start receiving Sweat tokens whenever you convert your Sweatcoins. And that's how you activate your Sweatcoin wallet, step by step. Subscribe the channel for more videos.